Well, what'd you think?
Mike, I like that movie, Mike.
Yeah, all right, I guess the vampires were a little corny, but can't you see how these monsters inspired the modern zombie flick?
Definitely, especially the boarded up house. I mean, the pivotal setting for all great zombie movies is where you build your stronghold. The mall in Dawn of the Dead, the prison in Walking Dead, even the pub in Shaun of the Dead.
Yeah, that's a really great point. I mean, where would you run to when, not if, the zombie apocalypse happens?
I've given this a lot of thought.
Always be prepared. So where would it be?
Well, I'd pack up some supplies and hitch a boat ride to North Border Island in New York City.
But the city is the last place you'd want to go in the case of a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, but North Border Island has been abandoned since 1963. It was once home to an asylum to treat typhoid fever in the 1880s. So you know that there's shelter and not a living or dead soul to bother you. It's like the perfect place to wait it out while the whole apocalypse thing blows over.
Zoinks! That place looks terrifying. I'd be way more afraid of ghosts than of zombies.
Well, what about you? Do you have a better place in mind?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Karen. I actually have a discreet location off the coast of Long Island with enough food, weapons, and comic books to last me a lifetime.
Well, where is it?
Well, I guess I can let you in on the secret. But the rest of you out there, why don't you enjoy this cartoon instead?